Toyota Century 2026, the ultimate luxury experience. Welcome to Car Zone, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the most prestigious luxury sedans, the 2026 Toyota Century, known as Japan's Rolls-Royce. The Century is the pinnacle of Toyota's craftsmanship, blending tradition with modern innovation. Let's explore what makes the 2026 model a true masterpiece, a legacy of luxury. The Toyota Century has been a symbol of status and sophistication since its introduction in 1967. Designed primarily for executives and dignitaries, the Century is not just a car, it's an experience. The 2026 model continues this tradition, offering a refined and ultra-luxurious ride while integrating cutting-edge technology, elegant and timeless design. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota Century maintains its signature understated yet elegant styling. The body features a bold yet graceful presence, with a large front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a meticulously sculpted profile. Toyota has retained the classic, boxy shape that exudes authority while making slight refinements for improved aerodynamics. The hand-polished paintwork, available in exclusive color options, adds to the Century's regal aura. A cabin of pure opulence. Step inside, and you'll find yourself surrounded by unmatched luxury. The interior of the 2026 Century is a sanctuary of comfort, crafted with the finest materials. Hand-stitched leather, real wood paneling, and plush wool seats create an atmosphere of sophistication. The rear seats are the highlight, offering reclining features, massaging functions, and even a personal entertainment system. The soundproof cabin ensures a whisper-quiet ride, making it the perfect space for relaxation or business meetings on the go. Power and performance. The 2026 Toyota Century is expected to feature an advanced hybrid V8 powertrain, providing a seamless blend of power and efficiency. This hybrid system not only delivers smooth acceleration but also ensures a quieter and more eco-friendly drive. With an advanced suspension system and all-wheel drive, the Century glides effortlessly over the road, offering an exceptionally smooth ride. Technology and features. Toyota has equipped the 2026 Century with the latest innovations to enhance convenience and safety. A state-of-the-art AI-powered infotainment system, voice-controlled features, and an advanced digital cockpit make the driving experience intuitive and effortless. The sedan is also packed with high-end safety features, including autonomous driving assistance, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for unparalleled security. Exclusive ownership experience. Owning a Toyota Century is more than just having a luxury car. It's a statement of prestige. Toyota continues to provide an exclusive ownership experience, with personalized services, VIP maintenance programs, and handcrafted detailing that ensures each Century